Computer science empowers students to create the world of tomorrow. Hello and welcome. I am Taqui Haider and you are listening to Inspiria Gyan series, season 2, episode 9, and today I'm going to take up a very important topic. Ladies and gentlemen, the topic of the discussion is career in computer science, and to speak on this topic, we have a very special guest with me. Miss Neha Thapa. She's a part of BCA department here at Inspiria Knowledge Campus. Welcome to the podcast, ma'am.
Thank you, sir. I'm glad to be here.
Okay, so let's start the podcast with this question. Can you just tell our audience in simple words, what is computer science?
As you all know, computer science is the study of computers and computational systems.
Mm-hmm.
It focuses on the development and testings of software and software systems.
Mm-hmm.
And it also involves working with mathematical models, data analysis and security, algorithms and computational theory. But when we come to the real application of computer science, it helps in creating products that solves real-time problems, like in the field of medicine, defense, industries, etc.
Okay, that's great. And the topic of the discussion is career in computer science. So for me, it is very important to ask you this question. What careers does computer science offer?
Okay, so I would proudly state that computing jobs are among the highest paid today, and computer science professionals report high job satisfaction.
Okay.
So principal areas of study and career within computer science include artificial intelligence, computer system and networks, security, database, etc. And if I have to talk about the job titles, the common job titles in computer science, it includes game development, software engineers, front-end developers, etc. So we can conclude that computer science provides a bigger career horizon, including interesting and highest paid jobs today.
Okay, very nice. And talking about the career in computer science, my next question to you is that what skills do computer scientists need?
Okay, so talking about the skills of computer scientists, learning how to program and code is only one element of the field, but due to the range and complexity of the projects we take on nowadays, computer scientists depends on both technical knowledge and essential skills like communication, problem solving, critical thinking, and creativity.
Okay.
So other useful skills includes analytical and logical thinking, technical and mathematical skills. So attention to detail, project management, these are all the secondary skills that you require to be a computer scientist. And when we see a computer scientist, if you have that overall development of both the soft skills and the technical skills, you become a competitive computer scientist.
Wow. And why is diversity important in the technology sector?
I believe the future can only be shaped by those who create it. Diversity in technology can not only broaden perspective but also make breakthroughs possible. So in order to achieve better overall performance, creating more equal and inclusive perspective leads to new ideas and innovation.
Okay.
So to support this answer, I would like to give some examples of the companies. Accenture, for example, is committed to providing 50-50 gender balance office with 25 of managing directors being women, which is very nice. And second, talking about the multinational tech company Google, Google won 2 awards, one for Best Company for Diversity in 2021, and the second is Best Company for Women in 2021. So therefore, we can see that diversity helps in building a better work culture, I would say, with higher retention rates, lower employee turnovers, and greater customer satisfaction, because people are more comfortable and confident when they take the tech roles. So it's very nice if we have diversity in the tech sectors too.
That's good. And why is the advantage of being computer literate in the workforce? Why it is? What are the advantages basically?
So computer skills have become increasingly important in today's workforce. Most jobs require some levels of computer proficiency as we see it nowadays.
Okay.
From simple tasks like using emails and word processing softwares to more complex activities like data analysis, computer skills are essential for many positions. I'd say all positions.
Yeah.
Staying up to date with the latest technology and building computer skills, job seekers can increase their marketability. Then talking about this, whenever like I am in the class, I always remind my students that whether you take up a blue collar job or a white collar job, computer skills, or you can say computer literacy, is one thing that you require in any jobs that you take.
That's right.
So talking about the advantages of employing computer literates, I'd say that while onboarding of any employees, the training cost gets reduced.
Okay.
As we see nowadays, right? And the second one is usually when the employer hires someone to fill a need, right? The employer, if they come in ready with all the technical skills, the time required to ramp up gets reduced. And the third one is, if you are working with a computer literate, right, a person who is like has all the computer skills, you feel that the productivity is like increased. So this makes like, these are all the advantages of being computer literate in the workforce.
That's great. And the last question, this is not a question, any tip you would like to give to our audience who wanted to take up a course in computer science? Any tip, any suggestion, anything? Yeah.
Computer science, if I have to say, as stated or quoted by Steve Ballmer, Ballmer has like beautifully quoted that computer science is the operating system for all innovation, which is true. And if I have to talk about the tips, computer science is like, I would compare it with maths.
Yeah.
So if you like keep on practicing, like if you like get in touch with maths, right, you start loving and you start like taking up that subject more. So computer science is the same, wherein like we have so many like emerging like facilities, and you can see so many career options we have, like game development, animation. And I believe that this will never go like obsolete, or you can say old in the market.
I think the market has just opened up. So I would like to say thank you for sharing a beautiful content and the knowledge with our audience.
Thank you, sir.
And with this note, I would like to conclude the podcast. Thank you for listening to Inspiria Gyan series. If you have not subscribed the channel, please do. And if you have any questions, please do write in the comment section. We will definitely try to give you the reply. And once again, thank you for listening to Inspiria Gyan series. In the next episode, we will meet with some other guest. Till then, please take care of yourself. Have a great day. Goodbye.